It's tinker time. Okay, here we go. It's the DIY signal tracer. Here it is, 0.047 microfarad capacitor, and I got it hooked up to this speaker here with the input lead here, the positive, and then an alligator clip with the negative going into the speaker. So what I'm doing here is I don't like reaching into the amp when it's on, so I put the alligator clips on the grid, the plate of the 12AX7 and of the 6V6 grid and plate. So I got this tape deck here, a little radio, and from the output of that, it's going into the amp here like it's the guitar input. So when I touch the input on it, hopefully you can hear that. And then there's the grid, got some signal. There's the plate of the first section of the 12AX7. Here's the grid of the second section and the plate of the second section. Okay, now I'm going to turn it down a little bit because it's amplified to that 6V6 from the 12AX7s. So there's the grid of the 6V6, and as you can see, the plate is really a lot louder because of course it's the max of the signal out there. Now we're going to turn it down a little bit, or turn it back up a little bit, I should say. And there's the speaker output. I've got a dummy load here for the speaker, 8 ohm dummy load coming from the speaker output into it so that we didn't have other noise. And there you go. That's the Champ signal trace with the DIY signal tracer.